You can't fry fish.
I never did before, so I said that.
Jesus. Alright, good Friday fried fish don't go down, right?
Yeah.
So tell us we're gonna see her back and so.
Yeah.
So what is the road? So journey with me. Let's see guys right now. Me and Ali are Renee out there. We're going to the skating ring or alley or whatever. I'm really feeling.
No, stop me tired. How much more step?
You need to do some exercise. You ready? So, warm up switch.
Okay, you're going to be the first one for job.
No, I'm going to be the first one for job, not me.
Why do you think VIP? You get food?
Are you care about your belly?
No, man, but if them say VIP and I told you, you must get some food. You get 3 hours. You get 3 hours, that's different.
Oh, one's care for supervision. You see, this is for you, you know. No troublemakers are not accepted. As you guys can see, we're just getting ready to go on the skating ring. So I'm just setting up my shoes, tying my shoes lace, and now I'm ready. Rennie and Ali not ready as yet, so I'm gonna just go ahead and skate without them until they're ready. It's been a while. I haven't skated though, really long while. Ali is so afraid of skating because this is her first time. This is also Renee's first time as well. This gentleman was just telling Ali like skating is like walking 1 foot at a time, and she's learning though. Ali was under stress, so she just gave up and took off her skate boots in the middle of the ring and came outside and just sit down and watch and say, "Whoa, she's tired." So she just had to watch us now while we skate. That Ali came off the ring, so I went over there, gave her some encouraging words and tell her to try again, and I motivated her, so she ended up putting on back the skates. And she came on the ring, so I was teaching her. No, guys, I'm not that rough, okay? I'm not that rough. I was telling her to hold on one while I pull her with the next one. Oh my god. And she said she had to do it herself. So, yeah. I noticed Ali was standing one place, so I went over there and gave her a hand and said 1 foot at a time. And she's taking 1 foot at a time. So I went sideways, so she'll be better able to have more space and skate. Right now, I'm currently carrying her over to the rail so she can hold down. Yeah, she said hi guys. So our face expression though, oh my god. Watch Rennie. Where's Rennie though? Yeah, Rennie over the side did. I said no. So she got help, so I went and skate by myself. And when I stopped just dancing, showing you guys my skills, what do you all think? Watch Ali. No sir. But I think she's determined, don't you? Give this video a thumbs up for Ali's determination of trying to skate though. Yeah, try go over to Rennie now and help her. She's scared though, but there's nothing to be worried about while skating, you guys. It's just like walking, but you just have wheels. That's the difference, okay? I went over to Rennie and I said, Rennie, give me a hand. Come take your hand out of the rail. And Rennie said, no, Peter, no. No, that she don't already. And that I should just go around one time and come back to her. So I was going fast and I'm back. And then when I reach back now, she said, alright, come. And she said 1 foot. And I said 1 foot at a time, Rennie, 1 foot at a time. And she's trying. Go Rennie. Now I'm here skating by myself. Again, I'm videoing for y'all. So just come back from the skating ring or alley or whatever you guys call it. I had fun. Ali, tell me your experience.
I tell you, when you see it in the video already, so you need to know what I really got.
So it's the first time skating?
Yeah.
You don't come back again?
Yeah.
So what about you, Rennie? You're just silent about this song.
Because it mashed me up. My sweat started to feel like a jog off from me.
Maria said she said teach you how to jog off her wig. No, so I had fun though. But me I try to teach them, I said, come here, help them. I said,
Peter get too rough.
She approved. Peter get tomboy.
No, not say that you know.
No,
when I was growing up as a child, I had everything with wheels, like skate boots, scooter, but I never get the skateboard, because that they kind of get out of style for me, so I never get it. So
you haven't skating still, but I'm still that's a long time. I don't know used to.
So wait, they only can ride bicycle and so?
Of course. Peter gay.
Oh, what about you?
Somebody have to put me up on the bicycle.
But no, some people grown, them still can ride bicycle.
But I can ride bicycle, but somebody put me up.
I'm glad you guys had fun. I don't know where we're going now, but as I said, you guys are journeying with us today, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. So you guys will drop home earlier now. Be safe, and I'll see you next time.
You guys be safe also.
Alright, later. So guys, we're just returning here. I got drop her off now.
Yeah, I'm tired.
You
I never drop.
Yeah.
Some people do want me drop, but I never drop, thank God.
Just share drop for the vlog though. Me soon talk to you when me reach home. So me reach home, I talk to you. So later in here.